The golden days of Motorola has been ended when Chinese tech giant Lenovo owned Moto. Now regular software updates are a dream, although the Moto G5 Plus had been announced as the device which will get Oreo. Some official from Motorola has stated in Moto forum some days ago that in India and Brazil the Oreo updates has been rolling out, but still many users are complaining for not getting the Oreo update. So if you are among those people and eager to update whatever cost, and if your device is not rooted, then it's the video that you should watch. Hello, I'm June NPNS25.137-92-14. Welcome to my channel. Let's get to the video. Someone from Brazil captured the Oreo file and shared on internet. So you need to download that zip file. The download link is in the YouTube description area. Before proceeding, make sure your device is running on the latest build number NPNS25.137-92-14 and have the security patch of June 2018. If you don't have this build, I'll recommend you not to go further. This method might not work in your device. I have already downloaded the Oreo zip file. Now go to File Manager and search for that file, which is usually in the download folder. Move that file into your root storage or internal storage. Then go to Settings, then Apps, and toggle the Source System apps on and search for Motorola Updates Services. Select that and enable the permission for storage. Now check the system updates. And you will get this message, new system software available. If you don't get this at first attempt, you should restart your device and check again. Now select I'm in. Here you can see the device is copying the update. Now a prompt message will be seen to install update. Press install and your device will restart and start to install the update. This will take long time, so I'll suggest you to keep patience, and to save your time I'll be forwarding first this video. Now the device has been booted. Draw your pattern to open it. Here you will see message of the update complete. and also you can see the notification panel has been changed. Now let's check the Android version. Here you can see the Oreo 8.1 and the security patch of August 2018. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Bye bye.